Alright guys, welcome back to Sean's Garage. So I just finished wrapping up the 3-year update video, and I want to just go ahead and film this intro real quick. So this is the night before we are heading up to Utah. I'm not sure I'm going to title this video, but it's going to be something about going to Copart and picking up a truck. I'm not sure if you guys will see much of the dismantle in there, the parting out, or what I'm going to do on that. But you guys will see the trip up there, kind of see the process of how it goes, and if we run into any snags. But that'll probably be this will probably be a short video. It could be long though, I don't know. Just getting back into the groove for YouTube, and I guess we'll kind of just see how it goes. So that's gonna wrap it up for right now, and I will catch you guys later when we are heading up to Utah. Alright guys, this is our first update on the trip to Utah. We are stopped at Reno right now, grabbing some gas. Brother's gassing up. He's not much for the camera though, so we won't have him on the camera very much, but it's about 2 o'clock in the morning. We hit some snow, unfortunately. Well, I guess the aftermath of some snow. Had to throw our chains on. We were hoping to not have to throw chains on, but it is what it is. Just want to go ahead and give you guys this update, and I'll check back with you guys probably in the morning when we get to Utah. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so we're out here in Westwind. I believe it's half Utah, half Nevada. It's cold. It's like 31 degrees or something. I'm surprised I'm not wearing more clothes if we're being completely honest, but if you guys look at the view out here, it's just absolutely beautiful out here in Westwind. So we were planning on not taking naps. Well, we were planning on not getting a hotel, but I was supposed to take a nap on the way out here, and that didn't really happen very much. And my brother, same thing, couldn't really sleep in the car very much, or the truck, I guess. So we're taking a nap right now at this hotel, and then we'll get back on the road soon. You gotta unload them one at a time? No. Oh, yeah. What's up, guys? We are here at Copart, Salt Lake City, waiting to pick up our truck here. Kinda almost messed up a little bit. They told us we had to have an appointment, and I didn't know that. So luckily I'm a nice guy, and I was able to finagle the manager into let me pick up this truck today, because I really didn't want to get stuck in Utah for a whole nother day. The next pickup wasn't until 8 a.m. So really lucky picking this up here at the last 4 p.m. pickup. Let's get some better lighting here. There we go. Sorry guys. So yeah, we're just waiting here. Got all everything over here. Everyone's picking everything up. So luckily we got the pickup, and they should be dropping this thing on our trailer in a minute. We're gonna go ahead and get her strapped up, and then head back to Sacramento. All right guys, what's up? We're out here in Utah. Just finished picking up the truck right here. Got her all strapped up, and then we're really hungry. Haven't ate all day other than just the snack food we brought. So we're getting some Denny's right now, right there in the background. Just want to come out here, film this quick clip for you guys. Just give you guys an update. Everything at Copart went pretty smooth, other than just the fact I didn't have an appointment and had to schmooze them into letting me take it. I really didn't want to stay here till 8 a.m. tomorrow. So happy we got the truck strapped up. Happy we're on the way back. Just gonna get some food in us. Trying to get back to Sacramento before today's over. Honestly, it's about 4 o'clock right now in Utah, so 3 o'clock in Sacramento, and we are hoping to get back to Sacramento by midnight. That'd be nice. 9 hours, as long as we don't hit any traffic or snow, we should be fine. All right guys, how we doing? It's the next day today. It's about 1 o'clock. We got home last night about 6 o'clock in the morning. Maybe it was actually 5:30 in the morning. By the time I got everything unloaded, it was about 6. Yeah, the drive took longer than we thought it was gonna take. We didn't factor in having to drive about 50 for most of the freeway. and then we didn't factor in driving about 30 miles an hour up the mountain for about 4 hours. So we got back at 6 o'clock. It was about a 12-hour drive from Utah. All right, guys, so first thing we're gonna do is, I didn't fire this thing up before we left. I just wanted to pick it up, strap it up, and get the fuck out of there. So I got my coffee, I got my code reader. Now we're gonna go ahead and fire this thing up and kind of see what we bought, and I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, so I just want to let you guys know I use this BAFX Products OBD2 diagnostic interface. It runs with Torque Pro on the Google Play Store, and I'm sure that's on the Apple Store as well. That was like 20 bucks. I got that a long time ago. Long time ago. So basically, you just download the app on your phone, and then it plays. So, come up in here. I know we got a check engine light. She doesn't go away, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull my phone out. We're gonna check the codes. All right, guys, just gonna open up my Torque Pro, click on fault codes. This might take a minute. I'll get back to you guys when I get some codes. All right, guys, so I actually didn't get any codes, so I'm gonna pop the hood, make sure we got oil, make sure we got coolant, everything like that, and then we'll fire up. Get up here. Alright, guys, so I just finished pulling my truck out. I just cleaned the garage up. Had to move some stuff around, make some room for this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and go down here. We're gonna go ahead and try to fire this thing up, get it off the trailer, get it in the garage. Can't forget the coffee on the trailer. Oh. Oops. All right, guys, I totally forgot to take the straps off, so just did that. Let's go ahead and get this thing off. All right, guys, we got it pulled in, not all the way, but just wanted to get it in, get it up here on the driveway, get it up in the garage. Let's go ahead and take a look over on this thing, see what we got. Front clip, front bumper, everything looks super good. Doors look good, mirrors look good. This thing is super clean on the outside, at least, other than just like all these dents and stuff. Let me go ahead and pop the hood for you guys. All right, I took the Vortex shield off. You guys probably seen me toss that. It was a little loose, but this is the Vortex 6000. we got the big old 4 LED back there, and that's the reason we bought this girl right here. So everything looks good. Obviously she just drove up into the garage. Alright guys, so last thing before I let you go, so I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash my brother's truck and the trailer he borrowed. It's covered in just salt and snow, and it's just disgusting. So I'm gonna go ahead and give his truck a pressure wash, the trailer a pressure wash. I want to give the trailer back in good condition. Rented it from a guy off Craigslist, so I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up over here on the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a montage of pressure washing. Alright guys, so it looks like my camera died while I was filming the pressure wash scene, so I didn't get any footage of that. But you guys know what pressure washing looks like, so I guess it's not that bad. We got the truck looking all nice, cleaned up. Probably gonna have to hit a quick quack and get a nice wash down, but I at least got the salt off the truck, so she's looking nice. Gonna go ahead and get this trailer back to its owner, get this truck back to my brother, and then we're gonna be all good. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this video. It's my first Copart purchase. Everything went pretty well. Learned some things, definitely prepared for the next time. That's gonna go ahead and do it for today, and I will get back to you guys with my Ranger video or something like that within the next couple days. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll catch you later.